Hello now. Right now we're going to unbox a box here. So it's called Samsung Galaxy J6. Okay. And the color is gold. It has a 32 GB Super AMOLED infinity display and a fingerprint sensor, 4G LTE, 64-bit octa-core processor, 142.5mm or 5.6-inch HD plus is AMOLED, 13-megapixel rear camera, 8-megapixel front camera with flash, and 32 GB memory and a 3 GB RAM. Yeah, okay. Actually, it's already open, and I've been using it for a day or 3 days now. Here's the unit, and we also got the charger, yeah, and the headset, and I almost lost the pin to take out the for the SIM card. We have two SIM cards. The first one is here, the second one is here, together with the external memory if you want to put one. Yeah, let's look at it. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, there's some messages here. And the camera is good on this phone. But I think I don't have a picture yet using this camera, but it's good. Yeah. So it's nice. It has a slim body. Yeah, it's good. It's a mobile phone made by Samsung. Yeah, that's it. Nice, right? That's the Samsung J6. So it's just the same as the other mobile phones. The difference is just the other have higher RAMs or the higher pixels for the camera, but still a mobile phone. It's good. And they say it's also good for gaming. I didn't try it yet, haven't tried it yet, so maybe if you want to buy one and try it yourself, then it's good. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, there's a free case if you buy this mobile phone in any stores, and the price is, we don't have the price here. I think it's here. Yeah. Yep. The price is 13,990 pesos. Available color in gold and black. Yep. As you can see, we have a brochure here for the Galaxy J6. And if you buy now, you get a 2,000 off of the SRP price. So you'll just get it for 11,990. Yep. So It says the powerful gaming, enjoyable camera, immersive viewing, and cinematic sound, especially when you use your headphones. It has a Dolby Atmos. Yep. That's it. Thank you. Hey, I just got back from the market and I bought something to cook. And it's already 12:30 in the afternoon and I haven't cooked yet. So I bought vegetables, kangkong, chili and garlic, and I also bought fruits, avocado and dragon fruit. Okay, so we're gonna put it here first. And I bought the chicken liver and gizzard. Chicken liver and gizzard, but maybe this one will, I'm gonna cook this later, or crablets, and also a fish. This is called maya maya. I don't know what it's called in the other locations, but in here we call it maya maya. Okay, so I'll continue my video later. Okay, just keep watching. We are going to prepare our ingredients. So we have ginger, onion and garlic. Okay, so we're going to do first the garlic, the ginger. So to easy peel the skin of the ginger, you just have to use a spoon and do like this. See? Now we're done, so we're gonna start to cook now. Okay, the first thing we have to do is to put some oil. Okay. And then we put the ginger. We're going to saute. And smell the ginger. Wow, it smells good. Now we're going to put the garlic. Now we'll add the onions. check if it's really solid. Like that. Okay. And let's mix a little more. Okay. So let's wait. Okay, now we're going to taste it. The salty taste is now good. Okay, now we'll add vinegar. We'll have to put vinegar on it. Check if it's vinegar. Maybe it's gasoline. Okay. Okay. Then we'll cover it again for a little while. Okay, now we're going to taste it again. Hindi yata masarap. Okay. Joke lang. It's delicious. Okay. The taste is good. Let's check if the meat is already cooked. Yeah, it's cooked already. Okay, so we're done. And that's how you cook sinigang na bangos. Okay? No, just kidding. It's adobong atay ng manok at balonbalonan. Or you can say adobong chicken liver and gizzard. Okay. So it's done. Time to eat. Okay, and that's how you cook it.